Hi, I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jacob.
Today, we'll practice real hotel English, the exact phrases you need for check-in, breakfast, room problems, upgrades, and check-out.
Short, useful, and 100% practical.
Stay with us, and you'll sound confident in any hotel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English you can really use.
Let's go!
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand City Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Sarah Carter.
Let me check. Yes, I see your booking. It's for 3 nights in a double room.
That's right. Thank you.
Do you have any preferences for your room? For example, city view or courtyard view?
A city view would be lovely, please.
And would you like a higher floor or a lower floor?
A higher floor if possible. I prefer it quiet.
Understood. Let me see. Perfect. We have a room on the 4th floor with a city view that's very quiet.
That sounds great.
All rooms have free Wi-Fi. Will you need breakfast during your stay?
Yes, please. I'd like breakfast included.
Wonderful. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in our restaurant on the 1st floor.
Perfect. Thank you.
Do you have any allergies or dietary restrictions we should know about for breakfast?
No, I don't. Thank you for asking.
Great. Now let's confirm your room details. Double bed, city view, 4th floor, breakfast included, free Wi-Fi.
Yes, everything looks correct.
The total cost for 3 nights is $360. How would you like to pay? By card or cash?
I'll pay by card, please.
Perfect. Could you please show me your ID?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. I've processed the payment. Everything is set.
Great.
Here is your room key, number 402. The elevator is just around the corner to your right.
Thank you.
If you need any assistance with your luggage, our bellhop will be happy to help.
That's very kind. Thank you.
Also, here's a map of the hotel and the restaurant location in case you need it.
Thank you. That's very clear.
If you have any questions during your stay or need extra towels, toiletries, or anything else, please dial 0 from your room phone.
Perfect. I'll remember that.
Would you like a wake-up call in the morning?
Yes, at 7 a.m., please.
Absolutely. Your wake-up call is set for 7 a.m.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your stay with us, Miss Carter. We hope everything is comfortable.
I'm sure it will be. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too.
And don't forget, the hotel bar is open until midnight if you'd like a drink later.
That's good to know. I might stop by later.
Excellent. Anything else I can assist you with now?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Great. Enjoy your room and let us know if you need anything.
I definitely will. Thanks again.
Have a pleasant stay.
Thank you.
Good morning. I hope you slept well.
Good morning. Yes, thank you. Could you tell me what time breakfast is served?
Of course. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. in our restaurant on the 1st floor.
Great. And is it included in my room?
Yes, it's included. Would you like a buffet or a la carte breakfast?
I think a buffet would be nice.
Perfect. We also have vegetarian and gluten-free options.
That's good to know. Are drinks included? Coffee, tea, juice?
Yes, all drinks are included in the buffet.
Excellent. Do I need to show my room key when I arrive?
Yes, please show it to the staff at the entrance.
All right, thank you. One more question. Can I take breakfast earlier than 7 if I have an early flight?
Normally, we start at 7, but we can prepare a breakfast box for you. Just let us know the evening before.
Perfect. I'll do that if needed. Thank you.
Good morning. Welcome to our restaurant. Do you have a table reserved?
Good morning. No, I don't, but I have a room here.
Wonderful. Please follow me to your table.
Thank you.
Here is your table. Can I bring you a drink first? Coffee, tea, or juice?
I'll have orange juice, please.
Of course. Would you like a small or large glass?
Small, please.
Very well. Today we have croissants, muffins, pancakes, and toast.
I'll take a pancake and a croissant.
Great choice. Do you want butter or syrup with your pancake?
Syrup, please.
And with your croissant, butter or jam?
Jam, please.
Excellent. We also have fruit, yogurt, and cereal if you'd like.
Some yogurt, please, and a small bowl of fruit.
Perfect. Any allergies or dietary restrictions we should know about?
No, none at all.
Great. Would you like a second drink, coffee, or tea after you start your meal?
Yes, a cup of coffee later, please.
Very well. I'll bring it when you're ready.
Thank you.
Here is your breakfast. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Everything looks wonderful. The pancake smells amazing.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like me to bring some syrup for the croissant as well?
Oh, yes, that would be great.
Here you go. Anything else you need?
No, that's perfect for now.
Enjoy your breakfast. I'll come back later to check if you want coffee.
Thank you so much.
Good evening. How can I help you?
Hello, I'm staying in room 307, and I have a few problems.
I'm sorry to hear that. Could you tell me what's wrong?
First, one of the lamps in my room isn't working.
I see. We'll send maintenance to replace the bulb. Anything else?
Yes, the faucet in the bathroom is dripping constantly.
Thank you for letting us know. We'll check the plumbing right away.
Also, I didn't get any fresh towels today.
I apologize. Housekeeping must have missed your room. I'll have towels sent immediately.
Thank you. Another thing, the safe in my closet doesn't lock properly.
That's important. We'll fix or replace it as soon as possible.
And when I tried to use my key card earlier, it didn't work the first time.
Sometimes the card loses its signal. I can reprogram it for you now.
That would be helpful.
Here you go. Please try this updated card.
Great, thank you. By the way, my air conditioner works, but it makes a loud noise.
I understand. We'll send a technician to check the fan.
Also, my window doesn't close tightly, so I can hear noise from the street.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Would you like us to move you to a quieter room?
If possible, yes, that might be better.
Let me check. We have a room on the 6th floor facing the courtyard.
That sounds much quieter.
Excellent. Would you like a staff member to help you move your luggage?
Yes, please. I only have one suitcase, but it would help.
Of course. Our porter will assist you.
Thank you so much. One last question. Could I get some extra hangers in the new room?
Certainly. I'll have housekeeping place extra hangers before you arrive.
Perfect. And will the internet connection be better there?
Yes, the Wi-Fi signal is stronger on the 6th floor.
Wonderful. That solves many problems.
I'm glad we can help. Here's the new room key, room 615.
Thank you. Should I return my old key card?
No need. It will be deactivated automatically.
Great. I'll head upstairs now.
Our porter will meet you by the elevator in just a moment.
Perfect. I appreciate your quick support.
It's our pleasure. Please let us know if you need anything else.
I will. Thank you again for your assistance.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new room and have a pleasant evening.
Good afternoon. I have a few requests, if that's all right.
Of course, ma'am. How can I help you today?
First, could you arrange a taxi for me tomorrow morning?
Certainly. What time would you like the taxi?
Around 6:30 a.m., I have a flight to catch.
No problem. I'll schedule a taxi to pick you up at 6:30 right in front of the hotel.
Perfect, thank you. And can I also get a wake-up call at 5:45 a.m.?
Absolutely. I'll set the wake-up call for 5:45.
Great. Also, could I have some extra towels sent to my room?
Of course. How many towels would you like?
Just 2 extra, please.
Done. Housekeeping will deliver them shortly.
Thank you. By the way, do you have an iron and ironing board available?
Yes, we do. Would you like them brought to your room now?
Yes, that would be very helpful.
I'll arrange it right away.
Wonderful. And one more thing. Do you offer laundry service?
Yes, we do. You'll find a laundry bag and form in your closet. If you leave them at reception before 10 a.m., your clothes will be ready the same day.
That's good to know. I'll prepare it tonight.
Perfect. Just bring it down and we'll take care of everything.
Do you also provide dry cleaning?
Yes, but that usually takes 24 hours.
That's fine. Thanks for explaining.
My pleasure. Anything else I can help you with?
Actually, yes. Do you organize tours or excursions around the city?
Yes, we work with a local agency. We have city tours, museum visits, and even a day trip to the nearby mountains.
That sounds interesting. How can I book one?
I can book it for you right here. Do you prefer a group tour or a private guide?
A private guide would be nice.
Excellent choice. I'll check availability for tomorrow afternoon.
Thank you. Could you also give me a map of the city?
Certainly. Here's a map, and I can mark the main attractions for you.
That would be great.
Here you go. The Old Town, the Cathedral, and the riverfront are must-sees.
Perfect. I'll definitely visit those.
I'm glad to help. Would you like me to recommend some restaurants as well?
Oh, yes. That would be wonderful.
For traditional food, try the Oak House. For something modern, Riverview Bistro is excellent.
Sounds delicious. Thank you for the tips.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay, and let me know if you need anything else.
I will. You've been really helpful today.
It's my pleasure, ma'am. Have a lovely afternoon. Good morning. How was your stay?
Good morning. It was very nice. Thank you.
Wonderful. Are you ready to check out?
Yes, I am.
Could I have your room number, please?
Sure, it's 517.
Thank you. Let me check. Your room charges are already paid, so today we only need to cover any additional services.
All right, that makes sense.
Did you use anything from the minibar?
Yes, I had a bottle of water and a chocolate bar.
Got it. That will be $6.
Perfect.
Did you order any room service meals?
Yes, I had breakfast delivered to the room once.
All right, that comes to $15.
Okay,
We also charged for the late checkout you requested yesterday.
that's right. How much is that?
$20 for the late checkout.
Fine, I'll pay that too.
And did you use the hotel laundry service?
No, I didn't.
Excellent. So the total for additional services is $41.
All right, I'll pay by card.
No problem. Please tap your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Would you like us to call a taxi for you?
That would be great. My flight is in 2 hours.
The taxi will arrive in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you.
Did you enjoy the breakfast options in the restaurant?
Yes, everything was really good.
And was your room comfortable?
Very comfortable. Thank you.
We appreciate your feedback.
I'm happy to give it.
If you want, you can also leave a review on our website.
I will. That's a good idea.
Thank you. We hope to see you again soon.
I hope so too.
Did you need any help with your luggage?
No, I can manage. Thank you.
Very well. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you again for choosing our hotel.
My pleasure.
Remember, we have special offers if you come back next time.
I'll keep that in mind.
Have a safe flight. Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye. Great job today. You've just learned all the essential hotel conversations.
Now you're ready to travel with confidence.
And guess what? In our next video, we're going to the airport, boarding, security, and real travel English.
You don't want to miss it, so make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell.
See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.